In today's video, I'll show you how to create a high energy opening where bright flashes appear on the screen and reveal your video in a fun and celebratory way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the effect hits immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Party Flashes. Then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, bright flashes pop across the screen, revealing the video with fast and energetic movement. Use the duration slider to control how intense the flashes feel. Shorter duration makes the flashes rapid and exciting. Longer duration slows them down for a more controlled party vibe. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the flashes sync well with your music or beat. And that's it. You've successfully added a party flash reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.